This is a new idea. I put a stencil on this glass and I'm gonna try these multi-surface acrylic paints, and I'm mixing this yellow gold with the chocolate. I'm mixing those two colors and I'm going to roll it in here. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm putting it over glass. So I'm gonna take the roller and fill it up with the gold paint that I just mixed. And then I'm gonna roll it in here. And I'm probably gonna need more than one coat of this color. So I'm just going to put the first coat and then mix more paint and bring another coat. I have no idea what's gonna happen with this. First time I do something like this. So I'm going to go to the paint and mix more color and put it again. I'm gonna also put that same color on the top of my bead, but I think I'm gonna brush it. Probably have to put several coats of this color in here. Seems that it's not dry yet. So I'm gonna let it dry and then put another coat. Okay, I'm realizing that instead of rolling it, it's better to use it like a sponge. So I'm gonna dry this. So let's see how my experiment is going. And this is what I have after that. I have some in some places that I don't want to, so I'm gonna try to remove it. Okay, so I am putting this more of this paint. This is another color. This is called Battleship, and I'm putting it as a base coat, and then I'm gonna put a lighter color and highlight this. So I'm still trying the paints and I'm going around this and putting that color, and then I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna take a lighter color called Cottonball, and I'm gonna highlight the top of each of these petals. And I'm gonna do that one by one. I bought this at Hobby Lobby and it has some pink around, so I want to put some pink also on the bottle, and this is the lid, and I'm gonna put some this color because I love it, rich espresso, so that's the color I'm gonna put on the lid on top of this one. I'm gonna put that color. Okay, this is metallic lustre, and I was trying to use one that I have that is called rose gold, but somehow it dry and I'm not able to use it. I'm trying to reconstitute it with water, see if I'm able to pull something out. I'm going to, let's see, no, it doesn't bring anything out, so I'm gonna use then the copper kettle. And I'm just going to put some of this tint of this copper kettle on top of this. That looks pretty. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, I'm still letting some of the gold show. I don't want to cover all the gold. I put only a small tint of color here and there, and you see this side of the bottle I have not put anything because instead of going with this all the way around, I want to put a saying or something in there. Okay, so this is my final decoration of the glass bottle. I already put the lid. I had this necklace that I put on the top. Let me show you. It is, now I cannot get it out, but see, it's a necklace that I had, and I just used it to put it in there. I took some of the pieces of the necklace so that it could fit in there, and I put some buttons inside. You can put whatever you want inside. I have not put anything in there. I can put the word button or just leave it like that and just show the buttons on that side and the flowers on this side. It's your choice. You can also try to paint the same design that it is in here instead of doing what I did. This is a fun project to do with your kids, and they can choose whatever they want to. They can put ribbons. You can put, instead of putting this, you can put a lace in there or put ribbons, and I'm gonna show you. For example, if you're doing a Christmas one, you can put, instead of putting the chain, you can put this around it. You can put that around it, and you can glue it with a glue gun, or you can take a lace, and even with this one that I did, if I want to, I can take a glue gun and glue some of this lace on top like that, or even on the bottom section. I didn't want to make it this busy, but it's your choice. I can put some lace on the bottom like that, and it will look pretty too. Or I can find a ribbon that is smaller and just put it around, or you can put a line of gold at the bottom. Whatever you want to do, it is your project. So I hope you have fun with this project with your kids, and we'll show you, if we do more bottles, we'll show you more examples of what you can do. And check for the Hobby Lobby discounts, because I got them at 50% off. Enjoy.